this morning of education more
Father Joseph John CSC.
One earth, one family, and one future. And our Honorable Prime Minister used to guide us by saying these words. This age-old philosophy encapsulates the idea that the world is a family, interconnected and interdependent. As we witness the challenges of our time, the significance of this principle becomes more evident than ever. The G20's commitment to strong, sustainable, balanced, and inclusive growth aligns seamlessly with our ethos as a nation. We do have ways to foster an environment that not only nurtures economic property or prosperity, but does so in a manner that is sustainable, inclusive, and respects the delicate balance of our ecosystem.